guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to share a project that I created using supplies from Tammy in my world in OKC. I will link her channel down below. She asked me to be part of her design team and she sent me a whole bunch of goodies to design some projects. She ended up sending me a box that would last for 3 projects for September, October, and November. For September, I decided to make a traveler's notebook, junk journal type of style, and I want to share this with you all. Before I get started, I just want to ask you to please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. So this is the junk journal that I made, guys, and this is the elastic that goes around the front. So I did end up laminating the covers. It's like junk journal / traveler's notebook style because I have the bands here so you can see that. So what I did on the front cover was I used a whole bunch of this country kitchen pattern paper, and then I also added a little bit of Tammy's paper with the music notes. So the music paper, I had coffee stains. I added some washi that was also from the kit, and the rest was just from my pattern paper. And here's where I just added a little tassel and charm. When you open it on up, the first is just kind of like a dashboard, I guess, and inside I put one of these pockets from Target Dollar Spot and some sticky notes, and all I did was add a little bit of my pattern paper to make it easy to pull out. On the opposite side, I made a pen clip, so that's what we got going on over there. And I did make the dashboard reusable or interchangeable so that the pattern paper does come out on both sides. Now, the second insert here, I used the napkin that was in my kit, and I Mod Podged it onto paper, and I ended up laminating it. To make this cover, I'm taking the pattern paper and just a regular piece of coffee dyed paper. I'm going to put this on top, glue it, and cut it out. And then I thought I would use this gingham. I'm going to separate the napkin. And I thought I would Mod Podge that on here so that I would be using what was part of the kit. And that's what is holding this second insert. So I'm going to do a little quick flip through, and this is the little flap here, and I did make where you could have a little pocket. Let me just get this tag to show you. Right in here, a little tuck space pocket. This might not quite fit, but you get the idea that you could tuck something right in there. Now on this side, I did some stitching for this pocket here, and I made a tag using this paper that came from the paper pad. Over here is some of the washi that was in the kit, and I did some stitching, and this is my coffee stains paper. I did some stitching there, and that's just some sayings from the pattern paper. Now when you flip it here, I added another pocket just like that for a little tag or bookmark. This is the fabric that was included in the kit, so that is like a little flap to cover up what you might journal on here. I have another pocket there. I did some stitching, and then again, this is the washi from the kit. More stitching. In the kit was a coffee filter, and I trimmed it on down, so I decided to just add some red onto there from the scrap. I made little pockets in here, little spatula, and that's the washi that was in the kit, so that's why I added the spatula sticker. It just matched real well. Another pocket here, and that's some washi from the kit. I just put on a little clear tag. And this is the middle of this insert, and I bound them together by using the junk journal method, and at the end I included here one of the buttons that was also in the kit to dangle off, and then just keep flipping. There's the stitching you see, the other side of this fabric, some more stitching. Unexpected friendships are the best ones. Some more washi from the kit. On this page here, I used the envelope that is from a piece of junk mail, and I could show you how I made this tag here. So to make this little tag here, I decided to use the envelope that has that clear spot, but I took it out and put my own acetate, which is a little more shiny. Used my sequins. I cut out this frame here that will go just like so, and now I'm just going to assemble it. So yeah, I used my Cricut, and that's what makes it really simple to cut these out. And I love my Cricut. There's so much that I could do with it. And I really still am doing a lot of investigations and a lot of trial and error. And I'm really enjoying it because I'm learning to do so many things I never thought to do. Adding the glue to the frame. And then I'm going to cut the rest out. Shakers just make me happy to have in my journals, in my planners, etc. So I like to do something with them. I sealed up with Mod Podge all around the edges, and I'm just going to add my backing now. And then I'm going to have a cute little shaker kind of bookmark, tag, whatever you would want to call it. And what's really cool is you put the tag right back in and it all lines up just right. Over here I just clipped a little pocket I made with the pattern paper and just some of the tiny pieces that I cut out. And that's the end of that insert, and I laminated this third insert here with my pattern paper, and the inside are the farm animals. I just made a banner here and a banner out of the washi that was in the kit. This is just another little thing you could tuck little pieces of journaling cards or bookmarks or tickets or receipts in. Some more stitching and the washi that was in the kit. This is that coffee filter I mentioned that was in the kit that I used. Here we have just another little pocket right in there. The kit also did have this fabric which went well, so I stitched that on the paper, and it kind of makes a little tuck spot. There's the stitching from the fabric, more washi that was from the kit, and here's some scrap from the coffee filter over there. This is just a recipe card, some more coffee stain paper, the other side of the filter. Did I miss the middle? I missed the middle. This is the middle actually, where that little flip is, and I included this other button on the bottom of where I stitched the insert together. So I used two of the buttons that are dangling down on the bottom here. And then back where we were, that was the recipe card. That was the other side of the coffee filter, another flip. Over here was the stitching and some more washi. That was just a little picture I liked from the pattern paper. The other side of the stitching and the washi. Another flip there. I stitched all around this sheet. And that's the end of the insert. And then the last insert is right here. I laminated a folder to put in. So this is the folder. And this is too big, but you see there's two pockets. And that's the whole book, guys. I just want to quickly show you the back. I did my handmade with ilenemack, and I used that washi again. So this is the entire junk journal I made using a lot of the items from the kit, and you're allowed to use whatever you wanted from your stash. So I used everything together, and I think it came out fabulous. Alright guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my project that I created using the products from Tammy's box that I received in the mail. Let me know what you think. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'll see you soon. Bye!